Welcome to Study Ayush osteology series of upper limb. We have continuing our last session of humerus bone. Today we will see about the muscle attachments of the humerus bone. Welcome to the humerus part 2. Let's begin. We have seen the humerus bone in the previous classes. Now let us see its muscle attachment one by one. Now first of all, when we talk about the upper end, that is head part, there are some muscle insertions. On the lesser tubercle of the humerus, there is a presence of subscapularis muscle. Its insertion is there. Okay. Now, when we talk about the greater tubercle, there are sit muscles. SIT, sit muscles. Remember it like this. You can remember very easily. Sit, supraspinatus, infraspinatus, and here T for teres minor muscle. Okay, T for teres minor muscle. They are present on. Now we have finished our tubercular insertion muscle insertions. Now let us talk about here. Here there is a presence of three muscles. Insertion of three muscles are present. This is called as pectoralis major muscle. This is called as teres major muscle, and this is called as latissimus dorsi muscle. How to remember this? Our teacher has taught us one trick, that there is one lady between two majors. Remember it like that. There is a lady between two majors. So teres major, pectoralis major, and latissimus dorsi muscle. Now let us talk about the next muscle. Here there is a presence of coracobrachialis muscle, insertion of the coracobrachialis muscle. We will see further in brachial plexus that it is it from here only, in this muscle only, musculocutaneous nerve pierced. Okay. Now when we see on the anterolateral surface, there is a deltoid tuberosity, and here there is a presence of insertion of deltoid muscle. Okay, this shoulder curve muscle we have seen in the previous classes also. Now here there is a presence of brachialis muscle. There is attachment, there is a origin. Red color means origin, blue means insertion. There is a origin of brachialis muscles. Okay. Now when we talk about the posterior surface, there is a presence of two muscles. As we all know, all the boys and all the gym members go to the gym. Here is a bicep, here is a tricep. Now here is a tricep. Now here there is the origin of lateral head of the tricep, and here is the head of medial head of the tricep. Tricep muscle, as we tricep is a group of three muscles. Okay, long head, lateral head, and medial head. So lateral head and medial head, we have seen the attachment of long head on the scapula on the scapula bone of the tricep muscle. Now when we talk about the lower part, there is a presence of brachioradialis muscle. This is brachioradialis muscle, because see here where, how to remember, this is coracobrachialis, this is brachioradialis. Radialis means radial bone is here at the lateral part, and at this here is the coronoid. Ulna is related with coronoid because it has a coronoid process, right? Now so it is a coracobrachialis, see, coracobrachialis, and here radiobrachialis. Now here there is a origin of extensor carpi radialis longus muscle. It is used for extension movements, and here below that there is a presence of all extensor group of muscle which helps in extensor. There are superficial extensor, there are deep extensor, that we will learn further when we will learn about the radiusal ulna. Okay. Now here there is a presence of flexor group of muscle. Here is a main, that is pronator teres muscle. Pronator teres muscle and all the flexor group of muscle. How to remember? This is a medial side. Flexor group of muscles are always present on the medial side. Remember flexor F, medial F, FM. So FM flexor all on the medial side and extensor all on the lateral side. This was all about the humerus attachments. Now, one more thing that I missed at the last class, that is about surgical neck. Why there is a presence of surgical neck in humerus? Surgical neck is present on 0.5 centimeter below the anatomy, morphological neck, because there is a presence of axillary nerve. We have to take care of that nerve during surgery, and hence the name given as surgical neck. It is very important for clinical as well as surgery perspective. That was left from me in the previous classes. And here there is a presence of an capsular ligament to form the capsule of glenohumeral joint. This was all about the humerus. We will learn its clinical anatomy on in the all in a descriptive format of all bones when we complete the whole upper limb part. Till that, keep studying, ask doubts. Thank you.